Good morning, everybody. This is Josh over here, AZ4Runner Parts. It is a beautiful Wednesday morning. Late afternoon, we took delivery of a 2005 Toyota 4Runner. This is a V8 Limited. Fresh off the transport truck from Maryland. Customer is going to be heading out here next week. We are going to be conducting a full frame swap and restoration on this thing. We got lots of new suspension parts, upper lower control arms, Bilstein 5100s. We're going to be keeping the same stock height. We're not doing any lift on this, just new parts. We got some Freedom Off-Road upper and lower control arms. Super clean, very, very quiet on this thing. 214,000 miles. Drove it off the truck yesterday into the shop just to keep it out of the elements out here from Arizona. But this thing is very, very nice. We do have the donor frame over here. Getting it stripped down. I already have the motor sold. Transfer case is pending sale. Got all the seats sold out of this thing. Just getting the inside gutted, getting all the good parts off of this for you guys, including a good shifter, 5-speed shifter. So this is going to be pulled off of the frame. The frame is going to be completely stripped down to a bare status, something similar to this here, but completely bare. And then it's going to be off to a powder coater, guys. Customer prefers to have this thing powder coated before we begin any swap. He's also going to be keeping this V8 hitch on here as his is all rusted out. Hatch has to come off. Of course, the body, everything has to come off. Axle, spindles, you name it, everything is coming off of this. So this thing will be powder coated next week, and then it'll be brought back to the shop where we can start rebuilding it, guys. So lots of new parts going on this thing. Stay tuned on the updates. Plan on doing some videos, as well as I believe the customer wants to do a time lapse. So he's going to be setting up his GoPro, and we'll have a full time lapse video on this build. If you guys are looking for a full process on beginning to end, stay tuned, guys. Josh over here, AZ4Runner Parts, guys. Home of 4th gen swaps, frame swaps, part swaps, you name it. If you guys are looking for anything at all, we have tons and tons of parts available. Of course, nothing off of this blue one here. But we have a whole shop filled with parts. This is just the back. Got a bunch of seats, 3rd row seats, 2nd row seats, subwoofer boxes, lift gates, some complete, some non-complete, carpets, you name it. The whole front of the shop is filled with parts, guys. So if you're looking for anything at all, please reach out. Josh over here, AZ4Runner Parts. You can find me on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or you can reach me directly on my cell, 602-699-1720. If you prefer to email, az4runnerparts@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful week.